Alright guys, this is my 1999 F-150 I got for $850. We're making this a fun daily driver. Reliable at that. We're going to be pulling the transmission and the transfer case. Let's get started. Alright, to start we're going to be pulling, oh, that's kind of hard to guide, those two bolts on that side, on the other side of that, and then on the other side of there, so 8 bolts total. Okay, so there's actually 3 bolts there. There's 3 bolts on this side, and then this heat shield on both sides has a bolt too. You gotta take those off. Now we're just taking the bolts off from around the transfer case and the transmission. It's a little trippy. Alright, so we got that cross member off. Now we're just taking off the drive shaft, and for some reason it doesn't want to come off. Good enough. Alright, all the bolts are off. Now it's time to let it down. Alright, so I forgot to record a lot of it. We got the transmission out of it. It was like kind of a struggle. We got it off of the motor, but we just couldn't get it off of the truck, if that makes sense. It was like caught up there, so we had to like pull it, and we were just not worried about trying to record it. You can see the wiring harness and everything there, and all the oil and everything that came out of it still. It also fell and like cut my hand a little bit. The tail shaft hit me, but that was like 2 weeks ago, so yeah. Would you look at that? I got the wrong transmission. About to see if we either want to rebuild this one or try to find another transmission, because like I said, that one is wrong. Alrighty, we got our transmission right here. It is a rebuilt, or we just got it rebuilt. It was about $2 grand for that to be rebuilt, as well as they threw in a reman torque converter, nice blue color instead of the rust brown. And so we just need to get everything hooked up, and we should be driving. Then we'll get to figure out the rear end and check out the head gaskets, see how those are doing. Also, off camera, we went ahead and pulled out all the seats and pulled out all the carpet. I still need to pull that out and pull that out. We are gonna just throw in new carpet, and also we have a little bit bigger rust problem than what I thought initially. It's mostly in this little crack right here and up by the passenger floorboard. There's not really a whole lot of rust anywhere else though. There's a few little bits like that's rusty, and there's a little rust next to it, but there's almost none anywhere else. So it's just there. That also makes me curious of what's under the bed liner in the back. And you see how dirty that is? We got some stuff that'll hopefully get all that cleaned up.